Hey guys, in this project, we're going to do something a little different. We're actually going to use a CMS that was built on top of Laravel, just to kind of show you what it's like to work with a production level application. All right, so we're going to create a basic website using the CMS, which is a content management system. We're going to build a custom theme, so we are going to edit some code and create some code, and then we're also going to create a custom plugin. Okay, we're gonna create a component which is a type of plugin. So this is the October website. If you want to browse through it, through the documentation, it has some pretty good documentation. This is, let's see, this is the front end. Okay, so you can see we're using Bootstrap. This is just the home page, and then we created an about page. Now these links right here, this is actually a custom component that we created called resources. Okay, so it'll just basically take in some links in the back end and display them wherever you want throughout the site. All right, this also has a full functioning blog. You can see we have our blog list here, and we have the details page, and then I also created a contact page. It doesn't work, it's not going to actually send email or anything like that, but I did want to just show you how to create an additional page, because there is some sample stuff that comes with the installation. So this is the backend here. You can see we're at /backend. And if we go to CMS, this is where all of our pages are. You can see the about page. If I click on that, this is actually the custom plugin that we created, or the component. If we go down here to components, you can see under Eduonics, we have a links component. So we'll be creating that. We'll also be creating this theme. It is just a simple Bootstrap theme, but it is custom. So we can create the page, we can add the URL that we want here, all the markup we can put down here, or we can just use it in the editor. Alright, we also have partials we can create. So for instance, the header and the footer, those are in a partial that we insert into the layout. You can also edit your layouts. We have a default layout here. You can see this is where we're putting in the partials, but this is where all the head info goes and so on. All right, content, we don't have anything there, but we can create like text files and stuff, assets to manage all the CSS, JavaScript stuff. And then if we go to blog, this is actually where we can create new posts, and they'll show up in the blog area. All right, and then we have a settings area where we can change themes. You can see we have a custom theme called Acme. And you can create a blank theme. That's what we'll be doing, and then we'll just be adding on to it. You can also add and remove administrators if you want, editor settings. There's all kinds of stuff. It's a really, really nice system. And like I said, I wanted to give you the opportunity to work with a real application that was built with Laravel. Now this isn't a project that we could have actually built from scratch in this course. It would just go way beyond that. It would be way too long, and it would take months to develop. But I did want to give the opportunity to work with it, so that's why we're doing it. It's a little different than the rest of the projects, but I figured it'd be nice to kind of mix it up. All right, so that's it. Let's go ahead and get into the first video.